Falling down, lost in rain, running circles in my brain. Try to hide, but it shows everywhere my broken goes. Power on, I hide, but it stays inside. Can you hear me now? I'm lost in the sound. Hold me close, don't let me drown. Can you hear me now? I'm screaming out loud. If I fade away, don't let me down. Hear me now, now, now. Don't let me down, down, down. Late nights, no control, voices taking all my soul. Need a light, need a sign, just to know I'll be alright. I run, I hide, but it stays inside. Can you hear me now? I'm lost in the sound. Hold me close, don't let me drown. Can you hear me now? I'm screaming out loud. If I fade away, don't let me down. Hear me now, now, now. Don't let me down, down, down. Can you hear me now? I'm lost in the sound. Hold me close, don't let me drown. Can you hear me now? I'm screaming out loud. If I fade away, don't let me down. Hear me now. Don't let me down. We were good in our own way, just not built to always stay. No more fixing what we broke. No more words we never spoke. It's not your fault, it's not mine. Just a love that lost its time. I'll let you go without the blame. Keep the fire, lose the flame. No hard feelings, no goodbyes. Just two hearts that change their minds. I'll let you go gently now. No more trying to hold it down. If we fade, that's okay. Love don't always have to stay. All the nights, all the light, still a beautiful goodbye. We don't need to make it hurt. We don't need to make it worse. It was real, it was right, just not meant for all our lives. I'll let you go without the blame. Keep the fire, lose the flame. No hard feelings, no goodbyes, just two hearts that change their minds. No more rush, no more fight, just a soft and quiet night. You'll be good, I'll be fine, just not you and I this time. I see the cracks I left in you, in every word I never knew. You gave me more than I could hold. I turned your warm into the cold. I try to be what you deserve, but I only made it hurt. You're better without me now. I finally see it clear somehow. I was the storm you stood inside. You needed sun, I brought the night. You're better without me, I know. So I'll be the one to let you go. If love means wanting you to heal, then leaving you is how I feel. You stayed through every broken phase, through all my silence, all my rage. I held you close, then pushed away, and called it love, but that's my blame. Every tear you tried to hide was a mirror to my life. You're better without me now. I finally see it clear somehow. I was the storm you stood inside. You needed sun, I brought the night. I won't fixing what breaks you down. I loved you wrong, I see it true. So I'll do right by losing you. Better without me. We met in all the wrong places, hid our truth in borrowed spaces. Every touch we tried to keep felt like something we should leave. We knew it from the start, this was never ours to guard. Go back to where you belong, to the life that you left on hold. I won't keep you in the dark, even if it breaks tonight. We were never only passing by. Every secret, every lie, every almost, every why. We kept dancing on a line we both knew we shouldn't cross. We both knew we shouldn't cross. Love shouldn't have to hide. Love shouldn't feel like this. Go back to where you belong, to the life that you left on hold. I won't keep you in the dark, just to feel less alone. Don't look back, don't call my name. Let me carry all the blame. If there's a chance you can be whole, don't lose it for us again. Go back to where you belong. This is where we end it all. Not every love is meant to stay. Some are here to walk away. Go back, where you belong. I memorized your streets by heart. Every turn, every scar. But maps don't work the same when I forget your name. I kept walking where you led, living in the things you said. I'm stepping out your footprints now, breaking every echo down. No more trains a silence in between, but I'm learning how to breathe without you next to me. Every step I take alone turns the past to something gone. I'm stepping out your footprints now, breaking every echo down. No more tracing where you've been. I choose where I begin. Step by step I let you fade. Every mark you left erased. If you linger, I don't stay. I walk the other way. I'm stepping out your footprints now. No more lost, no looking down. This is mine, this is new. No more me and you. No more footprints. No more